to validate forms in Next.js using Zod4. In my Next.js application, I created a validation file where I could keep all my validations in one place. I'm using Z-object, and for each attribute in my form, I'm using Zod for validation. I'm also exporting the types, and I created a form state type which has all the typing that I need for my form, including our data, our Strapi errors, and our Zod errors. In our form code, we are importing our form state and setting up initial state for our form. We're also using use action state in order to be able to get form state from our register action. Here you could see that we have our form that calls our form action, and you could see all of our inputs, which we're passing to our user action, where we'll be able to access our form data using the name attribute in our server action. Also notice we have validation using Zod, which we're getting from form state. We're doing the same thing for all of our inputs, and we also have a global error for Strapi errors just in case something goes wrong. Finally, in our register user action, we are able to handle all of our validation. We are passing our sign up form schema and sign in form schema, including form state. And inside our action, we are able to get all of our fields via the name attribute from our form. Then we use save parse on our sign up form schema to check our validated fields. If there's an error, we will return our Zod errors. If not, we go ahead and submit our form. You can find the full tutorial in our blog section on our website. Specifically, check out part 4 because it covers the topic that I covered here.